In today's video, we're going to review TastyFX. So as always, I like to start off with just a bit of an introduction as to, well, TastyFX. So TastyFX is IG Group's specialized US Forex brokerage, rebranded in 2024, built for traders focused on currency pairs. It's backed by decades of institutional trust. IG Group is publicly traded and regulated globally, including US oversight from the CFTC and NFA. Alright, so let's look at pricing, regulation, and trust. So spreads start at 0.8 pips on majors, so USD, Euro, so forth, with no commissions. So let's start with pricing, regulation, and trust. Spreads start at 0.8 pips on majors with no commissions. There is a minimum deposit of around $250, higher than a few competitors, but offsets that with tight pricing in other areas. So in terms of the platform and trading tools themselves, you can trade on advanced platforms. So proprietary web platform, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and Pro Real Time. Smart features include one-click trading, auto chartist signals, flexible charting, and client sentiment tools. Ideal for scalpers and active traders. It has a highly rated mobile app with price alerts, watch lists, customizable themes, and live Reuters news. In terms of support and education, we have 24/5 customer support here through phone, chat, and email, all praised for responsiveness and clarity, as well as them having transparent disclosures so anyone can access audited financials, cost breakdowns, and risk summaries online, good educational resources through the IG Academy. However, it isn't fully integrated into TastyFX, it's still accessible separately. In terms of perks and rebates, cash rebates up to 15% of your spread for high volume traders, tiered from 5%, 8%, 10%, up to 15%. Great way to shave costs if you're an active trader. Fast execution speeds averaging around 18 milliseconds with 100% of trades executed within a second. Critical if you scalp or trade news-driven markets. What's, however, not so great is the Forex-only focus. So no crypto, CFDs, stocks, or futures here. You can hop over to TastyTrade for derivatives trading though. Again, we've got to route back to that high minimum deposit of $250 that can be quite the barrier for some beginners. But again, once you have your foot in the door, things do work out decently. So why should you choose TastyFX? Well, for one, they are ultra trustworthy. You've got low-cost trading, tight spreads, and commission-free execution. It's a feature-rich platform optimized for both precision and convenience, and it has great support, so US-based help with clear transparency, again, as I mentioned earlier. Where it might not fit you so well is if you need multi-asset exposure beyond FX. That $250 is perhaps too steep for your starting capital, and you found consistent issues in peer reviews. I would say if you are a US Forex trader, especially a day trader or beginner seeking reliability, TastyFX is a compelling option. So drop a comment with your experience. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe for more broker breakdowns.